This is a 12 volt operated quarter turn valve actuator. It's to shut down water in case of flood emergency, for example. The connector here that came with it has one square hole and one round hole. If you put 12 volt into the square, it goes in one direction. If you put 12 volt into the round, it goes in the other direction. That's to release, to operate the valve manually. I have 12 volts. So you see I've put 12 volt, it goes in one direction and it stops automatically at the end. There is a limit switch. So now I will reverse the voltage. It goes in the other direction and there is a limit switch too.